If you're looking for a hotel that's within walking distance to all the major sites in Nuremberg, Germany, then Melter Hotel might be for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently we visited the town of Nuremberg for 2 nights and stayed at Melter Hotel. We chose this hotel because we wanted to be close to everything in Nuremberg. We were right in the old town and were able to walk to all the major sites, as well as plenty of shops and restaurants. Once we parked our car, we checked in and headed straight to our hotel room. The hotel was a lot bigger than we thought, so it was a bit of a walk until we reached our hotel room. Once we found our room, we were pleasantly surprised. It was nice and bright. There was a large bed which was actually really comfy. A little seating area and a working station that we could stand at. The bathroom felt clean and fresh. We found extra toiletries and a hairdryer. The room also had a small kitchenette with everything we needed to cook a meal. The hotel facilities included a gym with a few pieces of equipment and weights. But I have to say, I was really happy to find a free washing machine and dryer available. As we were road tripping, we were really happy to be able to do some laundry. We spent 2 nights at Melter Hotel before it was time for us to leave. We loved our stay here, especially for the location, as we were able to walk to everything without needing to drive or use public transport. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at Melter Hotel. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.